Okay, so I want to show you how to use the Desmos, the online calculator, to do square root. So I talk about the our scientific calculator. I talked about that in the videos, but if you are using this calculator, I want to show you how to do that. So the square root, if you look in the bottom left, there is that square root symbol. It is right underneath that a squared. Okay. And so what you have to do is you have to push that button first before you type in the number, just like I do on that handheld calculator. So that symbol is going to pop up, and then we can put in whatever number we want. So let's say if I did the square root of 144, notice that answer shows up over on the right-hand side. I can also click the blue for it to set that answer in. So that one is 12, which didn't require any rounding. But in that video, I talk about rounding to the nearest tenth. So let's say we had to do the square root of 80. Notice that that is 8.94. So that 4, that second digit, tells us to stay put. So that answer would be 8.9. I don't want you to write all of those decimals, all of those numbers. We are always going to round to the nearest tenth to make it super easy and quick, okay? But rounding does matter. So let's say we did the square root of 112. When we push equals, we get 10.58. So that 8 tells me to round that 5 up. So instead of 10.5, I would have to write 10.6. Okay? So that is how to use the square root button on that Desmos, the online calculator, if that is the one that you are using.